Hey guys, I'll show you maybe some tricks and stuff with the butterfly knife or balisong, so if you want to call it. First thing you should know is see this thing right here? This little thing. On most butterfly knives, these things are usually on the side of where the blade is, right here. Blade. So on this side, it's usually blade. So you always start off with this side. You always use this side. Don't use this side, because falls, you get cut. This side falls, you don't get cut. It might hurt because it's hard metal, stainless steel, but you won't get cut. So yeah, make sure start off with this side. Okay, first trick I'll show you is one of the basic ones that everyone does. Sorry, messaging. Oh yeah, start off this side. Well, I'll show you the basic one of the basic ones. It's the one that looks like this. Okay, now should I do it? Do is start off with this. See, most out of your thumb and then next finger right here. They're the ones that mostly do everything. So what you do is get like this, then you flip it. You just go. Try it again. Just go like that. Then kind of rotate your hand. Rotate your hand so it kind of goes like that. Kind of rolls around it. Then you flip it again. There it goes. Okay, like this. Flips around. Then you just flip it again where this part goes right here. Yeah, and it's done. There. Try it again. And just. And that's it. Show you. Time. Here. Go right here. Flip. Flip. Rotate. Flip. Again. Flip. Then catch. Alright. Now I'll show you how to close it from this area. Remember, you start off with this side. No, what's it called? This side. Okay, out this side. You flip it like. Okay. Just. Then you rotate. Rotate. Then you flip it again. Yeah. Flip it again. See? Then you just close it. Okay. Close it. Like I said, the blade's on this side, so if it falls in your hand, you won't get cut, but it might hurt. It's gonna stay on still. Yeah. Now the ones I just showed you, I'll just show you the ones I just did. So you just final outlook of the trick. Alright guys, I'll show you another maybe a little harder trick later.